One key step in hair care is showing your scalp some extra love. Insert Name Here has introduced their new Gua Sha and Got to Grow hair serum packed with biotin, caffeine, and 9 clinically tested peptides for the health of your hair. I've never seen my scalp under a microscope before and I was shook. I have some dry patches and really fine hair, so I'm going to show you 2 ways you can apply the Got to Grow serum. Start by parting your hair and collecting serum in the dropper. I'm squeezing the product onto my scalp and using my fingers to gently massage the product into my roots. You can also use their gorgeous new Gua Sha to massage the serum in, wiggling the Gua Sha from your hairline backwards and down from your part.
Use the comb side to stimulate the scalp. Apply a face oil and flip the Gua Sha to sculpt the face.
Step up your hair care routine and get your hands on the new Got to Grow serum and Gua Sha from Insert Name Here.